Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a real treat for you. I've chosen 3 new construction homes in Edmond, Oklahoma, located in the active adult community of the Springs at Valencia. These homes range in price from high 300,000s to under 450,000. Hi, I'm Richard Lemons with Encore Realty in Oklahoma City. I'm your go-to agent for all things real estate in Oklahoma City Metro. I help people like you every day, whether you're looking to buy or sell, and I absolutely love what I do. If this is your first time here and you want to know everything about buying or selling a home in Oklahoma City or any of the surrounding suburbs, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest information. If you find our content helpful, please share it with anyone you know who's considering a move to the Oklahoma City Metro. Your support means a lot, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below with your questions or feedback. It helps us tailor content that brings real value to your life. Whether you're planning to move in 90 days or 9 months, it's never too early to get started. Feel free to call, text, or email me. I'm here to make your move to Oklahoma City seamless and stress-free. You'll find my contact information pinned in the comments section. Nestled in the heart of Edmond, Oklahoma, the Springs at Valencia is a premier gated community crafted by Landmark Fine Homes, a trusted custom builder serving the Oklahoma City metro area. Residents of the Springs at Valencia enjoy a host of amenities designed for active and low-maintenance lifestyle. You can say goodbye to lawn care worries. The community provides comprehensive yard maintenance, allowing you more leisure time. The community clubhouse, which I'm standing in front of now, is a central hub for social gatherings and events. The clubhouse offers a welcoming space for residents to connect and engage in various activities. During the summertime, enjoy a swim in the community swimming pool. It's a great place to lie by the pool, sit by the pool, and unwind after a long day. The well-equipped fitness center, you'll have no excuse other than to stay active and healthy. The secured gate entrance will give you peace of mind and ensure privacy and safety. This community is nestled in a very well-developed area that offers all types of dining, shopping, and entertainment options. Within 3 miles, you have access to Quail Springs Mall, Walmart, Sam's Club, and Costco. Your options are endless. This really is a great area to live, work, and play. Now, come go with me and let me show you these 3 fabulous homes that I'm certain you'll fall in love with. Welcome to this stunning home built in 2024, offering 2,150 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. With 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, this residence provides both comfort and modern elegance. This home is currently listed at $399,980. For those seeking a dedicated workspace, the well-appointed study provides an ideal environment for remote work and quiet reading. The heart of this home is the open concept kitchen and dining area, ideal for daily living and entertainment. The kitchen features high-end appliances, central island with bar, seating, and ample cabinet space, catering to both culinary enthusiasts and casual cooks. The great room immediately off the kitchen makes sure that everyone is connected, whether they're watching a game or cooking a great meal. The dining area is illuminated by the charming chandelier and offers sliding glass doors that open to the backyard patio, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor dining experience. A standout feature of this home is the expansive master suite. The oversized walk-in shower will quickly become your personal sanctuary, providing the perfect retreat to unwind after a demanding day. With 3 levels of hanging clothing and extra storage in the master closet, it may be time for a shopping trip. Notice the size of the closets in the secondary bedrooms, not to mention the detail and size of the master suite closet. Residents of this gated community enjoy exclusive amenities, including yard maintenance, a clubhouse, fitness center, swimming pool, all fostering a vibrant and active lifestyle. Experience modern living at its finest in this exceptional home, where every detail is crafted to enhance comfort and functionality. Please join me as we tour this beautiful craftsman's style home in the Valencia neighborhood. As we approach this home's charming facade and well-manicured landscaping, it immediately catches my eye. Of course, this home enjoys the gated entry as well as the clubhouse, swimming pool, workout center, and yard maintenance. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with 2,000 square feet of spacious living. The list price for this home is slightly less than $415,000. The builder has left nothing to chance. The high-end embellishments, beautiful cabinetry, high-end appliances, modern lighting, alarm system, and mudroom proof that this builder is committed to excellence. The primary suite serves as a tranquil retreat within the home. This spacious bedroom provides a peaceful haven for rest and relaxation. The ensuite bathroom is designed with luxury in mind, featuring a relaxing tub, a large walk-in shower, and double vanity. This spa-like setting offers the perfect sanctuary to unwind after a long day. Personally, I'm really impressed with the feature wall of the painted shiplap in the study/office. The home offers large windows and plenty of natural lighting. The patio has electricity and natural gas available should you want to add a fire pit or additional lighting. The stockade fence backyard offers enough space for a large pool should you desire. Welcome to our last of 3 walkthrough tours of this fabulous new construction neighborhood called the Springs of Valencia, located in Edmond, Oklahoma. This home epitomizes modern comfort and design. Built in 2024, this home spans 1,838 square feet and features 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, offering a perfect blend of style and functionality. Upon entering the foyer, you're immediately welcomed into an expansive, open concept space and with very large windows at the back of the home that give it an immediate feel of a grand space. Immediately to the right of the front door are 2 of the secondary bedrooms and bathroom. The secondary bedrooms are thoughtfully designed to serve multiple purposes, whether as cozy retreats for children, inviting guest accommodations, or functional home office. Each room provides ample space to comfortably fit a bed, dresser, and additional furnishings, ensuring versatility to suit your lifestyle needs. If you find our content helpful, please share it with anyone you know who is considering a move to the Oklahoma City Metro. Your support means a lot, and I love to hear about your thoughts. Drop a comment below with your question or feedback. It helps me tailor content that brings real value to your life. Hi, I'm Richard Lemons with Encore Realty in Oklahoma City. I'm your go-to agent for all things real estate in the OKC Metro. I help people like you every day, whether you're looking to buy or sell, and I absolutely love what I do. Whether you're planning to move in 90 days or 9 months, it's never too early to get started. Feel free to call, text, or email me. I'm here to make your move to Oklahoma City seamless and stress-free. You'll find my contact information pinned in the comments section. As we proceed further down the hall, the room opens up and artfully unites the kitchen, dining, and family areas. This harmonious layout is enhanced by large windows that flood the room with natural light and offer seamless access to the backyard, creating an ideal environment for both relaxation and entertainment. The energy-efficient appliances, large number of cabinets, and the walk-in pantry make this an ideal location for preparing meals for the family and friends. The large dining room with modern lighting will make mealtime a special experience. The master ensuite is a standout feature of this home, showcasing decorative beams that add a touch of elegance to the space. Large windows flood the room with natural light, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. A popular barn door leads to the bathroom, enhancing the room's aesthetic appeal. The bathroom is equipped with dual sinks, a garden tub, an oversized shower, and a massive closet, offering both luxury and functionality. In summary, the master ensuite combines stylish design elements with practical features, making it a favorite space in the home. The inclusion of the barn door adds character and ensures it meets your privacy and functionality needs. Hey, if this is your first time here and you want to know everything about buying or selling a home in Oklahoma City or any of the surrounding suburbs, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest information. The great room with the fireplace and built-in bookcase allow for cozy nights while watching TV or sipping on your favorite cocktail and reading a book. Through the dining room and out the sliding glass doors, we end up on the patio. The large yard is a blank canvas. Whether you choose to build a pool or plant trees, flowers, or create a vegetable garden, the sky's the limit.